Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do multiple LED turn off and turn on using a Arduino board. So this is the code. Yeah, this is the code. I am using two main functions, void setup and void loop. Void setup, we will initialize all the pins which we are going to use in the microcontroller. And in this void loop, all the code we are writing inside this void loop will be running in a loop until we stop the compilation. This loop will be continuously running. So in this void setup, why we are using void setup means void will be void type all type of data type we can use, so that we are using void. This pin mode is used to select the pin which we are going to use in the Arduino board. So I am using 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, these 5 pins as output pins. We having 6 analog pins and 14 digital pins. So after this 6, all the pins will be digital pins. So till now I am using analog pins 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 as an output. And inside that void loop, digital write means we are writing to that board that high and low. High and low means like 1 and 0. High means 1 and low and 0. Low means 0. On and off state like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, all these pins will be connected to the board. So I am making this as high. High means the LED will be turning on, and then after sometimes I am giving a delay. In this delay, because of this delay, the on and off state will be visible to the human eyes, so that I am using this delay. If we are not giving delay means, then the on and off state we can't able to differentiate, so I am giving a delay. And then same these pins 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 will set as low. That means that LED will be in off state. After that, again we want to give some delay. 2000 means like 2 milliseconds, like that, something seconds will be there. And then individually I am turning on and off that single LED. Like 10 means it will be connected to one LED, 9 means it will be connected to one LED, so that I am checking it is working properly or not. So that I am using digital write 10, these two LEDs only I am turning on first, and then I am giving a delay, and again I am making 8th pin on, and again I am giving a delay, and again I am switching off that 8th LED and giving a delay, and I am making 7th and 6th pin turning on, and then I am making 10th and 9th pin which I made on here. I am switching off the LED here, and again I am giving a delay. Delay is very important to this program to differentiate that LEDs is in on and off state. So I am giving delay, and then again I am switching on the 8th LED and off the 8th LED, and simultaneously 7th, 6th, like I am switching on that entire part of the 5 LEDs separately to differentiate all the LEDs working properly. So this is the code. Now I am going to compile the code. I am using this compile option. So it's compiling. After it's getting compiled, we want to extract the hex file. Hex file means hexadecimal file. That hexadecimal file we want to copy and paste it in the Proteus software. In this Proteus software, we want to dump it into the board, into the simulation board, so that we will dump the code into the simulation. So wait, I will show that hex file. Hex file will be here. Little bit we want to drag means here it's the hex file. Dot hex will be the hex file. So we want to copy this entire text up to this and copy it. And we want to go to Proteus. After we open Proteus, I will open the project now. This is is the project. We want to copy, which we copied there, that hex file, we want to paste it here into the, to dump the code. We are doing the code in the different software and we are dumping the code into the different software. So it will be useful to dump. So this is the Arduino board we are using, Arduino Uno. In this, as I told, there are 14 pins and 6 analog pins will be there. Yeah, 6 analog pins will be there, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All these pins we are connecting to separate LEDs using one all we are 5 resistor we are using, because we are using 5 LEDs. So one resistor will be connected to one LEDs, and the LED will be connected to the ground. These 5 pins will be connected to this separate resistors. So now we are going to dump the code which we copied there. I am double clicking this board, and here a program file will be there. Here I am copying and pasting the hex file which I downloaded here, .x, this file, and I am giving OK. I am going to compile this. I am compiling this. All these 5 LEDs are blinking. Wait a minute. A small change is there. If we are using Arduino Uno board, we want to change it here. It will be in these tools, board will be Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno, something will be there. What board we are using, on that requirements we want to change this one. Now I am using Arduino Uno, so I am giving Arduino, and then again I am getting compile this one, because we have changed the board. So again we want to compile this, and again we want to extract the X file and we want to copy there. It's getting compiled. After compiling, we should drag a little more front, and then we will get the hex file and copy this hex file and go to Proteus. Again paste the hex file. Okay, now I am going to compile this one. Now it's getting compiled. All the 5 LEDs are turning off for some time. After that some time we will get a delay. The delay operation will make the LED off to the off state for some 2 seconds. Now all the 5 LEDs is blinking. I am using different, now all the 5 LEDs is getting turned off. By using the delay operation, we can able to know that LEDs is turning off now, because all the LEDs I am using is different colors, so that it will be easily visible to all. It is on and off state. Now it is in off state. Again after some time the LEDs will get turned on. Now this 10th and 9th pin LED is only getting turned on. As I mentioned in the code, 10th and 9th pin I am getting in this, setting it as high. High means the LEDs is getting turned off. To check all the LEDs are working properly, and I am connected to correct analog pins to that LEDs. So it's now 10th and 9th pin only getting turned on, and after some time 8th pin will get turned on. 8th pin, this LED will get turned on. Yeah, now 8th pin is get turned on. After sometimes it will be get into a delay, and then 7th pin will get turned on. Or on the requirements of the code, we can change whichever LEDs we want to turn on, turn off. Everything we can do this, with that code by giving a delay operation in middle of the high and low of the LEDs. So and now it's after sometimes the LEDs will turn off and turn on, like that. Simultaneously the operation will go on. still it's getting running. See here, if this is a stop button to stop the simulation. Until I am giving this button, the loop will be going on. Now this LED, 8th LED is getting, 8th LED is get turned off. 8th pin LED get turned off. We don't need to give this much amount of delay, even we can give a small amount of delay so that the LED will get turned on quickly. Now 7th pin and 6th pin connected to the LEDs got turned on. I will show the code. First all the LEDs get turned on so that this function is going on. After that some delay, and after that all the LEDs got turned off, and then 10th and 9th pin got turned on, and then 8th pin only got turned on and it got off also, and then now 7th and 6th is getting turned on. 7th and 6th is in on position. So after that these two LEDs got turned off. These two LEDs, 10th and 9th low, we are setting it as too low, so that also got turned off. After that it's like what we are changing into the code, that will be reflecting into our board. So this is the multiple LED turn on turn off operation. Thank you.